Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off live caption in volume control feature in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to disable it. First of all, we need to access settings. Then in settings we are looking for sound and vibration. Next we need to scroll all the way down to live caption. And here, again, at the very bottom, we have live caption in volume control. So to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box. It's a simple on or off switch. There are no other hidden options or menus here. We can close menus and go back to the home screen. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.